like in awe. It's literally raining down over us. This is amazing. You guys, get the fireworks going in your marriage. It takes sometimes walking the extra mile. Literally we walked an extra mile to get here. And sometimes it takes walking an extra mile, going an extra mile to do whatever it takes to make memories, to make it amazing and memorable and a night like no other. And this is what you get when you go the extra mile. Literally the best seats in town. Absolutely amazing. Hope you guys had an amazing 4th. Get your date on this month. I created an amazing date night for you guys this month. You gotta check it out. It will keep the fireworks alive. I went the extra mile for you guys like I do every month. Just like I do for my kids.